A rattling noise in your dryer is often caused by a faulty drum roller or a damaged blower fan. To address these issues, you can replace the faulty drum roller by first unplugging your dryer and removing the top and front panels. Next, disconnect the wiring harness and remove the drive belt. Then slide out the drum and locate the roller assembly. Remove the drum roller, clean and lubricate the shaft, and insert the replacement part. After that, slide the drum back into the cabinet and reinstall the drive belt. Reconnect the wiring harness, and reinstall the front and top panels. Once this is done, restore power to your dryer. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the blower fan. Start by unplugging your dryer and moving it away from the wall. Then remove the top and front panels. Take out the drive belt and drum to access the drive motor. And remove the mounting clamp that secures the drive motor to access the blower fan. Remove the old blower fan and replace it with a new one. Then reattach the mounting clamp and slide in the drum and drive belt. Finally, secure the front and top panels and restore power to the dryer, which should resolve the rattling noise issue.